How to fix keep crashing in Motorola Edge 70. First of all, restart device, swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, update apps. Open Play Store. Now in Play Store, click on your profile icon, click on manage app and device, click on update available. Now here you will see update app. Select app that you want to update. After selecting app, click on update. After click on update, selected app will be updated from your phone. And if you want to update all app, then click on update all. After click on update all app will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system update, click on check for update and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Open settings, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset device setting and again click on reset device setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory reset. Again open setting, scroll down, again click on system, again click on reset option and click on erase all data, factory reset and again click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, music, photo, video will be deleted from your phone. This is how you can fix keeps crashing in Motorola Edge 70. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.